Hello everyone and welcome to Miss Crafty, a YouTube channel that is dedicated to craftworks, and of all craftworks, we are basically dedicated to leather crafts. I have not made a post in 2 months now, and the last post I made was a catch-up post for February. I know that it must have disrupted the plans and progress of most of you who are here, especially those who are here to learn. So, apologies. The month of May is a month that is solely dedicated to belts. Can I hear you say belters? Like belts. Belts. I mean belts. Delving into leather crafts, and possibly you are one of those who find it difficult to remain patient and wait for results to actually come up. Try to learn belt making first. Why did I say that you should learn belt making first? I said so because it will give you results faster. It will also give you meaning faster. That is like giving you meaning to what you are doing, because some of us might be doing a particular thing, and if we see the results coming out from it, we become clueless of what we're doing, and soon we lose interest. So if you learn belt making first as a leather craft enthusiast, if you learn belt making first, that will give you meaning and results very fast. Besides that, I know you might be wondering, like, belt making? Why belt making? Okay, here are some good reasons. 5 good reasons why you should learn how to make belts. 1. It is easy to learn. And 2. It is fast to produce. 3. It requires no machinery. Number 4, you might be asking, why belt making? Those other 3 are no excuse enough. So number 4 is that belts get spoiled or old very fast, and if they get old fast, that means regular replacements by numerous people. Another is that as it gets old fast, that means you stay in market all the time as a leather craft person or belt maker. And the last but not the least is that belts, just one, having one is not enough. Especially for the women, one belt isn't always enough. It gets old very fast. You can actually make it for yourself. It is used by everyone, be you old, young, toddler, or even a middle-aged person. Most especially the middle-aged people. We always need a belt for holding up our pants, or at least for the women, for styling our clothes. Belts come in really handy. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the materials that we will be needing in this month of May for our belt making. For the materials, all that we will be needing are leather, fabric, foam, elastic, and some fanciful finishing. As for the hardware accessories that we will be needing for this month's production: belt heads, cup chains, rivets, hooks, swivels, sliders, and clips. And for the tools, hammer, leather punch or paper punch, scissors, measuring tape, your ruler, and a piercer. The adhesives for the belt production, we will be making use of your shoe super glue and your Evo stick. I have a caution for you. If you prefer to use a paper punch as against the professional leather punch or the single leather punch, I would advise you to ensure that the leather which you are going to be using is very thin. Otherwise, you can use fabric, because if you are making use of a thick weight leather or a genuine leather, it might be difficult for the paper punch to pierce through or make a hole on your leather piece. So that will give you some difficulty and might even discourage you from continuing. So if you are using a paper punch, I'd advise you to try and buy fabric, or you buy foxtail leather. Foxtail leathers are usually very thin and very easy to pierce through. So with that, I think you'll be ready for this month's learning of how to make a leather belt or a fabric belt, or the belts at all that you want to make, which I'm going to teach you in this month. Some kind of butterfly. Let's explore the different items which I will be teaching you in this month. So the very first one which I will be teaching you is how to make a tummy belt. Here it is. Can you see this beautiful tummy belt? This is what we are going to learn first. Proceeding, I'll be teaching you how to make this crossbody belt. It's made with elastic, so that's the reason why we need the fabric, or among the materials which I told you that we will be needing, elastic is included. So this is it, the crossbody belt. I'm sure you've seen a lot of toddlers, middle-aged people, and even elderly ones using this. How would you like to learn how to make it by yourself? It would be amazing to learn how to make a crossbody belt by yourself. Next, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this long men's belt. Men's belts are always very long. I don't know why, but this is what I'm going to be teaching you. So you can tell us in the comment section below the reason why men's belts are usually very long. I'd really like to know. Finally, I present to you the chain belt, which is the final one that I'm going to be teaching you. Chain belts are usually used by women, especially middle-aged and elderly women. For the young ladies out there who think that chain belts are totally out of their league, well, I'm here to tell you that chain belts are very unique. They're a very unique fashion piece to have, which is very good for styling, because it's not really popular, and if you wear it amidst your friends, you are going to stand out. Thank you so much for making it this far. You just watched a Miss Crafty video, and if this is your first time of viewing us, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can get more content of this kind. If you would like to see and learn with us how to make the different styles of belts in this month of May, tap on the notification bell so that when I have these videos uploaded, rolling out one after the other, you will be one of the first to get notified. So please, I need your feedback for subsequent better content. In other words, give me a thumbs up, leave your opinions for me in the comment section so that I'd know how to progress and ensure that this community is top notch. If you found this video interesting and have someone out there who you think this video might interest, Please don't forget to share my content with your friends. If you like it and if you don't like it, please share it with your friends because they might like it. See you in my next video. Bye!